For this video, I'm going to show you how to place an image into Photopea. There are two different ways of doing it. I have already downloaded an image from Google, but you can also grab one from Pixels and just make sure it'll go into your download folder on your Chromebook. So to get the picture, there are two ways. So you go to File, there is Open. So if you click on Open, it should pop up your download folders. If it doesn't, it shows recent, or click on files and just click on downloads, and then you should find it. I am going to use the face I normally use for doing kind of little demos. So the face will appear. Like with Photoshop, it does make little subfolders. So I have the face and I also have the new document. So to start with, I am going to go to Select All, which is same as Photoshop, which is Control A. Then I'm going to go to Edit and go to Copy, which is Control C. And then I'm going to go to New Project, and then I'm going to go Edit Paste, Control V. You'll see that the face will appear. Also, you'll notice that there is a new layer that should appear. For this one, it pops it in as pixels, and we'll talk through these layers a little bit later. But if you want to transform or change the size of this, go up to Edit. And like with Photoshop, you have Free Transform. The biggest difference is do not hit just Control T in your Chromebook. That'll make a new tab. So make sure you also, if you're going to do quick commands, it's Alt Control T. And then you get the little bounding box. And then if you hold the Shift key and then drag out, it will keep the image constraints. If you just drag out, the image can kind of warp on you if you're not careful. When you get it where you want, as with Photoshop, make sure you hit Enter. So it does apply. So that is one way to put an image in. So right now I am going to close the visibility off of layer one, which is the face. Another way of doing it is you go File, Open in Place. Same thing will pop up. I'm going to use the face again. This time it will actually place the image in your upper right corner with the little bounding box for transforming. So you can actually drag and kind of start moving it where you want it. Here's the key thing. Once you hit Enter, what you have is similar to a smart object in Photoshop. So if you notice over in the layers, there's a little kind of placement box over here. So to get rid of that, go over to this little layer, right click on it, go to Rasterize, and then it is like the other layer before. So those are the two ways to place an image into Photopea.